This is the given illustration. Then we're going to prove our given. We have segment RA and segment IL bisect each other at Z. And we're going to prove that segment AL is congruent to segment RI. Step number 1. Identify the given and put a markings. Okay, let us analyze. The given is, isa lang kasi to anak. Segment RA, ito daw po yun. Si segment RA at si segment IL ay binisect. When we say bisect, hinati ng ano po? Ng point Z. Focus muna tayo anak kay RA. So, segment RA, ito po yun, hinati ni point Z. Meaning, nahati sa ilan? At ano po yung dalawang segment na yon? Segment, Reblora?
Segment RZ.
And segment?
AC.
Okay, put a markings muna. Segment RZ and segment AC. Second tayo, dito naman tayo kay IL. Segment IL bisect each other at Z. Okay, meaning, ito po si segment IL. Kinat daw po ni point Z, meaning si IL ay nahati po sa ilan? At ano po yung dalawang yon? Pabelyor.
Segment IC and segment AC.
Okay, very good. They are also congruent. Then after that, meron pa bang ibang given? Wala na. Let us analyze the given illustration. Based on the given figure, the two triangles have a common part. What part? Side or angle? Angle what? Name angle Z using 3 letters. Yes, Reblora.
Angle RZ, right?
And?
AZ.
Okay. AZL. Put another markings. Since na kompleto na natin, may lumabas na po bang postulate? Step number 3 na tayo. Statement and reason. Okay, what do you think is the statement number 1? Gregorio.
Segment RA and segment IL.
Bisect? That is the statement number 1. Segment RA and segment IL bisect each other at Z. And what is the reason? Graphil. Given. Then after that, statement number 2. The question is, do we need to prove statement number 1? Yes. Bakit po? Kasi gumamit tayo ng mathematical term na bisect. When we say bisect, tatlo ang choices natin, anak. Segment bisector. Ano pa yung dalawa? Angle bisector and perpendicular bisector. Let us analyze what kind of bisector kaya. Again, si point Z ay hinati ang ano po?
Segment RA.
Segment RA. Meaning, what kind of bisector? Very good. Segment bisector. Let us focus. Okay, sabi daw dyan anak, sa segment RA and segment IL bisect each other at Z. Okay, step by step tayo. Focus muna tayo anak kay RA. So, si segment RA ay kinat ni point Z. Meaning, nahati si RA sa ilan? At state the two congruent side. Another, yes, Sala. Segment? They are? Very good. Segment RZ is congruent to segment AZ. And what is the reason? Yes, Ababa. Okay, definition of segment bisector. Do you understand? Then after that, okay, what we're going to do, step number 3 na tayo, or statement number 3. But before that, analyze natin, they are congruent na po ba? Identify na natin, what part is this? Sulat na natin sa gilid. Then, check natin anak yung illustration. Based on the given illustration, after ni segment RZ, ano sunod? Angle. Now, state the two congruent angle. Using 3 letters ha. Reblora, name the two congruent angles.
Angle RZI is congruent to angle AZL.
Okay, and what do you think is the reason?
Vertical.
Very good. Vertical angle theorem. Okay, now, since they are already congruent, okay, lalagay na ulit natin anak yung part. What part is this? Okay, angle. Next, the question is, na-prove na po ba natin completely si number 1? No pa, kasi meron pa tayong isang hindi na-prove. Ano po yun? Segment IL. Dito naman tayo mag-focus. Si segment IL daw po ay kinat ulit ni point Z. Meaning, nahati si segment IL sa ilan po? Dalawa. State the two congruent sides. Yes, Monares.
Segment ZI
Is congruent to?
ZL.
Okay, very good. Segment ZI is congruent to segment ZL. And what is the reason?
Definition of segment bisector.
Very good. Definition of segment by sector. Okay, since they are already congruent, O, identify. What part is this? Okay. So, S ulit. O, may postulate na ba na lumabas? So, therefore, what do you think is the statement number 5? Yung name na po nung dalawang triangle. O, what are the name of the two triangle? Tambawan. Triangle.
Triangle RCI is congruent to triangle AZ.
And what is the reason, anak?
Ano, SAS po.
Okay. Then after that, what is the statement number 6? Prove. Ano ipoprove natin? Yes? Segment AL is congruent to segment RI. What is the reason, anak? Okay, very good. The CP, CTC.